Hey Sleepyheads, Brian here. Welcome to my fireside chat. This month is jam-packed with exciting news about the Hypno and headlines from around the video art world, so let's jump right in. Our semi-modular video synthesizer Hypno is back in stock. We've worked hard to bump up production and keep up with demand. You could buy the Hypno on our website or at select retailers around the US. Go get your well-washed hands on one. Hypno 2.0 firmware was just released. The new firmware allows for video input from the front USB port. You can plug in webcams or other UVC compliant devices. It even allows for input from HDMI to USB adapters. Video input was a highly requested feature and we're excited to see what you all do with it. To help you get started, we've put together a short tutorial on how the video input feature works. Check out the link in the description below. A new video pack called Going Inside is up on the Sleepy Circuits site. This pack was created by Eli Peckman, the prolific founder of Mystic Circuits. The pack is visually mesmerizing and great for feeding into the Hypno with the new video input feature. You can download it over on the Sleepy site, where Eli and Sleepy have teamed up to ask for donations to the Navajo and Hopi COVID Relief Fund. I should also mention that Mystic Circuits makes awesome Eurorack modules, and will soon be making video modules, which we look forward to covering on future episodes. The winner of last month's spooky video challenge was Max Modular with this creepy cool visual. Since our first video challenge was autumn themed and our second video challenge was Halloween themed, this new challenge will be turkey themed. I'm just kidding. We're gonna skip the video challenges this month and instead do a community video pack. Head over to the forums where the theme of the community pack will be established and submissions will be accepted through mid-December. Just like previous packs, we hope to raise awareness for a charity, which in this case also will be community chosen. As usual, here's other stuff going on in the video art world. Italian-American video artist Aldo Tambellini passed away at the age of 90 in early November. Tambellini was a pioneer of video art. He had some of the earliest video art ever aired on television, and he also founded the first experimental cinemas in New York City. Tambellini's self-proclaimed obsession with the color black has been attributed both to new discoveries about the cosmos during the space age, and also to the African-American GIs that liberated his Italian village during World War II. Either way, Tambellini has been a strong ally of African Americans, both during the civil rights movement and beyond. Tambellini rarely used a camera. Instead, he would apply black paint to glass slides and celluloid film. He would then scratch and burn images into these materials. The images he created are not unlike those I'm used to seeing in video synthesis. This makes me think about how video art is, and really always has been, a very loose term with a loose definition. Are silly YouTube videos art? Are Hypno visuals art? If you use the Hypno or other video synthesis modules, are you an artist? I'd like to know what the community here calls themselves. Let me know in the comments below and on our forum. So that's it for this edition of Sleepy News. As always, feedback is encouraged. Like, subscribe, follow us on social media. Remember to update your Hypno to unlock that awesome video input feature. And if you haven't gotten a Hypno yet, maybe it's time to grab one. Get involved on our forum for the community video pack, and most importantly, get some sleep.